Today I'll be making a Cuba Libre, also known as rum and coke, and it's a very simple drink to make. You need very few ingredients. There's only about 2 or 3, since you don't really count ice as an ingredient. So let's get started. The recipe will be in the video description. So first I'm going to add the Bacardi white rum. It's actually recommended that you use Havana Club, which is actually made in Cuba. And I'm going to make a single. You can also double up or add more or less of either Coke or rum. So I'm just going to add about 1 ounce. And I'm using a measuring cup because that's easier than a shot glass. So we'll put in the rum. Next, 3 ounces of Coca-Cola. You don't have to use Coca-Cola, but most of the recipes ask for Coca-Cola. Now I'll add the Coca-Cola. Next, we'll just give it a little stir. Now I will add the ice. You can add as much ice or as little ice as you want. Now to garnish the drink, it calls for a lime. I've already cut the lime to save time. And it's as simple as putting it in the glass. And 1 slice is enough. If you really wanted to, you could squeeze the slice a little bit so more of the lime would get into the drink. And there you go, we've already stirred it, so now it's time for the taste test. Now for me, I could have probably doubled the recipe, so it would have filled the cup, but I didn't want to make too much, so we'll just give it a test. You can barely taste the white rum. I'm mainly tasting the Coca-Cola in there, and the lime doesn't really affect it, maybe just a little bit. Again, like I said, you could have squeezed the slice of lime and then it might have given it more of a lime flavor. And if you want, you can double the ingredients. And like I said earlier, you can add less Coke or more rum or vice versa. Whatever your preference is, same goes for the ice. So if you give it a try, let me know with a comment. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.